Rockerz and Jamalco will face off in the final of the Supreme Ventures Netball Jamaica Major League after dominant victories in their respective semi-finals on Thursday. Rockerz demolished GC Foster 76-46 to secure their spot in the final.
I think it was basically mental for us. We knew that we were going to win, but it was just coming to do what we need to do going into the finals.
Meanwhile, Jamalco turned back Tivoli 56-42 in their semi-final encounter.
Over the years that we're playing, Tivoli, Walgrove, you have those teams, Mullines, those tough teams there. They always give us the competition going towards a final. And this is what we were looking for. Although the score is a bit high, but you can say Tivoli, they played well. They have some big players on the court, and so we have to be aware of what we was doing. And we did get the job done. That's all it mattered to me.
In other divisional semi-finals, Police A outscored Friendship 33-30 and Ligani A defeated Speg A 31-28 in the Intermediate A League to book their spots in the final. In Intermediate B action, Job's Lane took care of Mercury 32-30, while Maxfield B defeated Panthers 35-33 to set up a clash in the final. And in the minor league semi, Speg B were victorious over Spartan 33-24, and Global B had a close 25-23 win against the Police C in the second semi-final.